Yes, so welcome back to the today's class. This is the conclusion of the third chapter. So we will be having a conclusion of this third chapter here. The microorganisms here you are seeing about the virus, and most important topics are here in third chapter here. Remember, today's class is the conclusion for the third chapter, and for FA1 examinations, that means formative assessment exam 1. The syllabus will be from first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, part 1. Third chapter, part 2 have not given so far. Sometime in 2018 it was given chapter 3, part 2 also. So if this is the case in case of corona, may be expecting first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, part 1 only. We will continue third chapter, part 2 also after this class immediately. Understood? And here can you find it? Do you know is there here? In every chapter, do you know, I said already here, it is a research work conducted by many experts and scientists that have come through. So here, do you know, we will just discuss here. Soil is highly rich in microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, protozoa, microarthropods. The top 8 inches of soil, that means when you come out of your home, that 8 inches of soil of 1 acre area will be having a 5.5 tons of fungus and bacteria. So large it is. This is very much useful for growing crops, but excess use of pesticides kills these microorganisms. We can see them through a microscope or by growing them in different media. That means here in front of your home also, or example, if you go to any playground here, 1 acre of land if it is there. So 1 acre of land, it ranges differently, and it is important that 5.5 tons of fungus and bacteria just in 1 acre of land, empty land, will be having. But if you are using pesticides means, then all microorganisms will be killed off. Then we are going to eat only wasteland food that has rich in chemicals only. So we need to protect our land by not using pesticides. At least from our generation, we need to use only natural means of the things, but not chemical pesticides. Understood? But in case of soil also will be having, what is the activity here? It is given activity 6. You need to just dig a soil, and whatever microorganisms are there, you need to focus under microscope. That is what given here. This total, we need to take some part of land or little amount of soil. You dig in front of your home and then bring to the science lab or biology lab. Then you will be seeing about this complete microorganisms. And now we discuss about one more virus here. Can you see this virus here? This virus is so dangerous here. Why it is so dangerous means, it affects tobacco plant. Tobacco plant, you know, no? Cigarettes, you know, no? Usually. So cigarettes, inside cigarettes, the material, waste material is filled by tobacco plant leaves. That leaves will be affected by these kind of microorganism. That means this is a tobacco mosaic virus, TMV. In short, it is called as TMV. Can you see the protein molecule, how it is there for virus here? And can you see flocks of viruses, how they attached here? Group viruses will be there, and they will be acting to kill that tobacco plant. Understood? And many viruses are there here, which causes diseases like polio, swine flu, conjunctivitis, smallpox, and chickenpox, and cold. These and AIDS also caused by different kinds of disease. And viruses are very, very dangerous. Microorganisms only dangerous here. Some are very good, like curd bacteria, but many microorganisms are very dangerous. Even they can kill our body also. Understood? And today we shall discuss one more virus here, very deadly virus here. It is coming. You can see here, this is the virus, which is called as a human immunodeficiency virus that causes AIDS disease. So what is the AIDS disease here? This is a picture. What you are seeing is electronic microscope taken picture of HIV. H stands for human, I stands for immunodeficiency, and V stands for virus. HIV, that will lead to a disease called as AIDS. And AIDS is again it is known as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and this virus will make a very dangerous things in our body. It can even kill humans. Why only kill humans? Because it will attack only humans. Understood? And let us see what is the history of this and what happened to this deadly virus. Can you see the body is very dangerous body? You can see here only. Understood? This is very dangerous body. It is there. You can see very dangerous body is there here. Understood? Let us go to the slide. Here you can see very dangerous virus is there, and the name of the virus is HIV. This is most dangerous virus in the world. Why? Because it kills all the human organisms at its stretch if it attacks. So how to take care, and what Indian government is making here, how the disease has got, and whether it stays in our body or in any other body, we just see in this slide. Before going to that, we will be having about one important topic here. Diseases also will be caused by some important things here. They are also present inside the bodies of animals and plants. They can survive in all types of environments, ranging from ice cold climate or to hot springs, deserts to marshy lands. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms on parasites, and some may exist independently. That means this para is explaining that microorganisms can stay anywhere, even in polar region, ice, refrigerator, or anywhere it can be living, but the intensity of effect will be differs. For example, if the bacteria is there outside, it will spread more. If the bacteria is there in the refrigerator, it will spread very less. Like that. Some more diseases are there here, like typhoid, tuberculosis, TB, septicemia, blood poisoning. Blood poison will be getting and are caused by bacteria. Some of the skin diseases are caused by fungi, while others by microarthropods and bacteria. Diseases like malaria, amoebiasis are caused by protozoans. So this para is important for our knowledge purpose here. And bacterial staining is there here. Bacterial staining also important. What is this step here? Every year, maximum times it has been asked in the exam that for at least 1 mark it was asked. Understood? So what is this here? Bacterial staining means here adding color to microorganism to see very clearly. That means we will be having a microscope here. That means a slide we will bring, and then we add a microscope. Then we had some colors like crystal violet, orange, blue, red. These 4 only colors you need to remember. Why? Because international biological labs we use only these 4 colors. That means violet, blue, orange, red. These are called as dyeing colors. Dye. It is called as dye. And we can see through with the help of 25x and 40x. This is known as bacterial staining. Bacterial staining means here coloring to the bacteria. Understood? Then we shall just go to the actual content of the history of the HIV. Though this is not there in our syllabus, but in 10th class at least this basic is needed to understand for the topics. Can you see here how did viruses get from there to here? It has seen that usually our body is made up of say ape, monkey. We have come from the evolution through the apes. As of now we are believing that only, and it has come from this animal to human, and thereby what happened according to one story here, a person, scientist or ecologist, a biologist who went to forest area and he forgot his home. And then what happened, he stayed there only for many days, and later he got a friendship with a ape here. Slowly he got affecting of the virus called as HIV. Here you can see that. That means he don't know that this monkey or ape, Sooty Mangabe, name of this monkey is Sooty Mangabe, which is affecting with this virus that attacked this human. Slowly what happened, after many days he known his route to his home. Then he went to his home. From there whole family got that means this virus here, blood to blood transfusion here. And AIDS will be getting with blood to blood direct contact. Understood? If blood transfer is there, and there it goes and attacks to the other person here. And also here it can also transfer from mother to baby with the milk. Understood? So Indian government is planning many things to control this and have been successfully going on worldwide. Understood? So like that total world attacked this virus here. First how it started we don't know. from different kinds of monkeys. It has been started here, and then it attacked a human. As evolution of human is the same species and same genes we will be having more or less, then it attacked the whole thing here. And according to the recent news here, you can see India in 2017 standards, if you see 2.1 million, that means 21 lakh people living with the HIV it was there. That means we don't know in our city only how many HIV patients are there, but government is taking care about every one of them. We need not to be very dangerous or panic. And 0.2% adult HIV prevalence is there between 15 to 49 age. You can see 88,000 new HIV infections will come every year, and 69,000 AIDS related deaths will be there every year, and 56% adults on antiretroviral treatment. So as of now, according to recent data, till new data has not made due to coronavirus, 56% of adults are suffering with AIDS and are going under treatment. This is the drug name, antiretroviral. And children are not having any data here as of now. And what will happen in this thing, we just see here, ASHA workers will be coming home by home who are suffering with these diseases here, and they will be making a different kind of steps for curing of the AIDS disease, how it attacked, and we must not be very near, so that only while we are going to saloon shops, cutting shops here, you need to be very careful. You need to request a person to use only a good what is a blade to shave, or otherwise shave the hair. Sometimes we'll be shaving, so that only we don't know in the saloon shop or the cutting shop earlier HIV patient has taken the same blade has taken, so the blood will be attacking to that blade. Same blade if it is using to us, we also will be getting the HIV AIDS. And even in girls, they will go to beauty parlors here, so they will clean their eyelashes, some things will be there here. We don't know the makeup things here. So if HIV patient has already came to that area, then again for also will be getting problem. And here ASHA workers will be getting with respect to the police also, and they will be coming and doing inquiry here, and like that it will be controlled. And as we just do a friendship with the Sooty Mangabey monkeys, what will happen? The virus enters very dangerously, and we cannot stay very happily also. Why? Because our body will be getting very infection here. Too much now. Corona, how it is killing here, even this virus also kill very dangerously. If you see the picture here, how this person has become very dangerous. Can you see here? Can you recognize this person has got HIV, and he has cured not from HIV. He is still suffering from HIV, and we can expect within 7 years the death will be there. Within 7 years death will be there. And this is what the AIDS story here. You can see how healthy the person is there and how weak he become. Understood? This is all for today. Have a good day ahead.